Coffee. Here we have the beautiful Keurig k4000 espresso machine. We have the cover open so we can show you how the milk system works and how it kind of distributes to the coffee cup. So this machine was brought here because no milk was coming out through here, nothing was coming out through here, and that was because the machine was extremely clogged. Okay, I'm gonna show you a couple of pictures of how clogged it was. As I was saying, this hose was completely covered in milk or some other stuff. It was really clogged to the point that nothing will come out. As you can see, just completely clogged all the way through. This is the coffee spout as well, completely clogged. And this is the hose, the same hose that I just pointed out. This one is connected to here. It was just completely clogged. Nothing was coming out. It definitely needed a good unclogging, good cleaning. The machine needed a good cleaning in order to operate normally. So let's just do a cappuccino, starting with one of these. So let's insert the K-cup the way it's supposed to. Perfect. And then we'll do a cappuccino. It's gonna be 8 ounces. Right, so now the machine is pumping out water. As you can see, coffee starts to come out of the spouts. So it slowly fills up, and now the milk is starting to mix. On the other side is also putting milk inside. Now it's mixing up with water, frozen up, and coming out right here on the spout. And there you have it, K4000 working once again, frothing milk and being able to do coffee. And just to show once again, let's just do a quick regular milk. We're just gonna let the coffee run out, and I'm just gonna show you when the mush comes out. The coffee. Now the milk will be frothing. And as you can see, those hoppers dispense the milk, and it comes out right here. And as you can see, the phone is very clean milk, not clogged, and working the way it's supposed to. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content of this every day, and thanks for watching.